In this step-by-step drawing tutorial, we're going to take a look at how to draw a butterfly. For a more detailed breakdown of this process, including still images that you can follow along with, be sure to visit howtodrawstuff.com or simply follow the link in the description below. Start your drawing by drawing a circle to represent the head of the butterfly. Draw another shape coming from the circle to represent the wing. Notice the shape of the wing. The top of the wing should be slightly curved, while the bottom of the wing should have a bit of an angle in it. Next, draw the top half of the wing. This line should extend out from the circle as well. Define the head of the butterfly as well by drawing a rounded triangle. Add some lines to indicate the antenna and the legs. At this stage in the drawing, you can draw a branch for the butterfly to be sitting on. Also add lines like the one in the picture to indicate the segments of the wings. Be sure to take your time with this. This may take a few minutes. You might want to get a photo reference to help you out. Now add a few more segments to make the wings look even more realistic. You can also add some angles to the end of the wing to make the butterfly wing feel a little bit more organic. Now you can finish the drawing by adding shadow and a pattern on the wings. Different butterflies have different types of patterns on their wings, so be sure to put the pattern that you like the best. Usually the pattern on the wings carries over onto the face of the butterfly as well. There you have it. Now you know how to draw a butterfly step by step. For more step-by-step drawing tutorials, be sure to visit howtodrawstuff.com.